Okay, so we're going to make a report now showing all orders grouped by customers for total cost for each customer. Now, there's already a query for this. So we're going to use the wizard. And we're going to go to query total cost, put all of them through, click finish. And there we go. Now, that's our report, but it looks ugly. So edit document. Let's give it a title. We're going to call this total cost of all orders made by customers. Hit Control A and we can make this bigger. 20, we'll put it in the center. We'll make it bold. We'll make it a nicer font. There we go. Okay, and maybe we can change the color of stuff as well. We can hide this table. That looks ugly. That's basically it. We'll just do proper. Highlight this. Click that. We'll do dark blue. Then we'll make the font white. And then we'll highlight the table. And we'll make that a light blue. There we go. That was kind of nice.